Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will see what is ragging and what our Indian law says about ragging, what type of ragging takes place in the colleges, how to overcome ragging, and how some colleges have 0% ragging. If you are still ragged, what you have to do, everything is explained in this video. Even today, in most of the colleges, ragging takes place, but in some colleges, there is 0% ragging. Everything I have explained in this video in a very simple language. Please watch this video from the beginning till the end without skipping. Meanwhile, I request you to please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for more useful tips on education, job, career with analysis, tips, alerts, expert advice, and good suggestions. Let us go to the video. What is ragging? It is explained here. Ragging is a practice in colleges, hostels, and other educational institutes where the senior or an influential person tends to demoralize or defame the juniors through the means of verbal or physical abuse and harassment. What our Indian law says about ragging. Under the Indian Penal Code, ragging is punishable with imprisonment of for a term of 2 years and shall also be liable to a fine minimum of 10,000 rupees and above. How ragging takes place? Ragging is of various types which can be physical torture, abuse, mental harassment or embarrassment. I will explain you in detail. Physical torture, abuse or mental harassment includes some senior and or super seniors gather and are asked to do very unnatural things like abuse to any girl or boy, kneeling, drink wine, smoke cigarette, propose to teacher, call to any girl, boy, abuse her and him, slapping, beating, or do some physical labor. Most of these things happen in hostel ragging. Embarrassment. In this type of ragging, seniors ask to sing, dance, joke, do any drama, ask to propose to one of their senior friends, ask many unexpected irrelevant questions, situational questions, give training how to respect teachers and seniors, how to wear dress, shoe, tie, etc., how to tackle with college or hostel managements, how to take care of college or hostel resources, how to raise your voice if anybody will do any wrong against of your union or batchmates. Just like a rise of some embarrassment situations, but later after few days you will find whatever happened that was good and you learn many things from your seniors. Some tips to overcome ragging. Try to be very simple. Students who get lot of attention from having very unique hair, clothing, style, etc. If you are serious to escape from ragging, avoid getting everyone's attention. Never tell unbelievable stories too as well. Lie that you have serious heart illness. Just do this if you really want to end the ragging immediately. They are bully but will be scared to killing you. Be confident. The pros of being confident is it makes you look smart, strong person and attractive. Be kind. Make more friends as much as possible. None will dare to hurt you if you have many friends. Be physically fit. Bullies are coward. They will target people who look weaker than them. Do some physical exercise or enroll to gym. Ignore them. Time will come and they will be only part of your past. Don't be too hard to yourself. Enjoy your present and always smile. How some colleges have 0% ragging. First one is an affidavit is to be submitted duly signed by the parents and also the students before getting admission into the college. If students involved in ragging, not only the students but also the parents will be responsible for it. Number two is continuous monitoring by the staff. In some colleges, security staff and other staff inside the college campus in hostel, they continuously monitor the students is any to oversee any ragging is taking place. Number three, anti-ragging committee formed by the college. In this type of colleges, an anti-ragging committee is formed. Number four, open communication with the dean, subject coordinators, HOD, who are easily accessible to make compliant if you are ragged continuously. Number four is general atmosphere of the college. In some colleges, most of the students are very sincere in their studies and focus only on their studies and never involve in ragging. Next one is usage of CCTV in most of the colleges. CCTVs are installed in most of the places inside the campus, though so the chances of ragging are very less. Last one is anti-ragging squad, which is formed either by a team of students and or by the teachers who continuously monitor any ragging takes place inside the campus. In spite of these, if you are still ragged beyond limit, immediately call the locus police station. You have to save the phone number in your mobile or diary, or you have to memorize the local police station number so that you can immediately call the police, or you can call the National Anti-Ragging Helpline, the number of which is 1800 180 5522. Please avoid calling 100 because sometimes it is not attended by the police. Preferably you call the local police station.